Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Tropical Leaf Bundle. I'm starting off with basic white cardstock with the Artistic Mix decorative masks. I have inked up my blending brush with Flirty Flamingo, gently rubbing blending some ink on the page. That's where I'm gonna stop it. I've got, I think this was the linen thread from an old paper pumpkin, so I'm going to use that. Always waste not, want not. The elephant in the room here is that lovely little happy smiley face bandage. I have burned myself quite badly, and I didn't want to gross you out with all the necrotic tissue that I have going on that thumb. So we just have a happy smiley face instead. Okay, we have censored for YouTube. This is a piece of smoky slate, and I have die cut it using the Stylish Shapes dies, so it's one of the circles. This has a really pretty stitch detail around, so I'm just going to place that on my ink blended part and my messy nest of linen thread, and I'm going to use my Seal Plus, my favorite dry adhesive, to place onto my this is Flirty Flamingo card base. Now I have Granny Apple Green and I have a sponge dauber, and I am daubing on some shaded spruce ink of this. I think they're called Monstera plants. We have a couple in the salon. I didn't end up using the spine or the veins of the leaf because I wanted a slightly different look. I have to say, I am doing a online class using this Tropical Leaf Bundle, and I have to say, like, very versatile, very versatile stamp set, having loads of fun creating with it. And I had so many ideas that I wanted to just, it's content for Mondays because this is pretty simple. The Tropical Leaf Bundle has the stamp set as well as a punch, and here the punch is, and it works really nicely, actually. The punch was smooth as butter, and the ink started to blend a little bit better into one another. And for this leaf, I just fussy cut it out because that is what I like to do. I know a lot of you don't necessarily like fussy cutting, and that's okay. You don't have to like it. I like it. I find it therapeutic. So now all three of those leaves have been cut. We have 5 altogether, and I'm going to start arranging them in a cluster on my card. So I like doing clusters. It's a nice design element. It sort of clusters all the elements in one, and you have many different layers. It does remind me a little bit of mixed media, if you will. So down go my leaves, and then here is a little strip, and I don't know where I got this strip from. But it is also stitched. Sometimes I cut out like pieces of like labels and that sort of thing, and I put them in a bin, and then all of a sudden when I want to make a card, I just pull it out. So not 100% sure where this came from, but I like it, and I stamped the hello in it, and now I'm going to cut off the excess, and then I'm going to put wink of Stella all over my leaves to make them shiny and wet looking. Then I decorated my card using the 2022 to 2024 in color pearls. So again, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. That is my card for today. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.